me share my screen. Okay, so one thing that I wanted to kind of highlight, because everybody see my screen, sorry. So with the ability of Python, obviously, it's actually being able to close the loop using various APIs from other sources. So in this example, I was actually using our Snowflake demo environment to create, originally I created a fake data set to kind of just something fun, alien sightings or UFO sightings, right? And those reports. So there's a public data set out there that was just kind of free that goes through 2014, but ultimately created a topic called UFO sightings, as well as the state month panel, which is getting the data ready for data science activities. Prior to this, I did not have this predictions view. It was only just simply citing facts, and that's it. So ultimately went through the process to connect to OmniFrames, connected it to my ATX playground, the Snowflake model, Snowflake demo model, and then ultimately the query of the topic that I wanted to bring in. And so once I brought that in, just kind of high level, what are the top 5 states, just to make sure everything worked. And then used a spatial analysis to try to predict where the next sightings would be in theory. And then ultimately created the top 3 sightings would be these locations here. Now, the cool thing with this is, in theory, historically, this would have been the end of my analysis. And then, okay, cool. I used Omni to do an analysis in Python. However, if you're a customer of Snowflake or Databricks, other activities where you can write back to a warehouse, you can actually create a function to write back to the warehouse and create the table. And so what that actually does is you can go back and push this into Snowflake, where it is now already connected, as long as you have a grant future table permission for Snowflake, and then it'll provide you a place to actually store these, where you can rerun this workbook for like various forecasts. And then after a schema refresh, it automatically populates in here. You update the relationship file to that join to your existing table. And then in your dashboard, you now have the ability to show the predictions as a different color. And so I created this vibe app of the X-Files theme of like, hey, here's UFO sightings. All the green are the actuals, all the pink are going to be the predictions. And then obviously this 2014 data. So the future is 2014, but you can actually show like, hey, here's the predictive model, and then schedule this however you want. So this opens up the world on being able to do Python without having to natively put it within the application for now. But you can schedule your workbooks with Airflow. You can create Python notebooks within Snowflake. There's various opportunities here, but now it's just, can I automate my work even just beyond analysis? So finance teams can use AI to create a forecasting model. They don't have to do it again. Push it back into Omni, review it as your command center, make tweaks in your model, and then keep going on that loop. So this was kind of the art of the possible of what I was able to envision with what Dan provided.